See, JK is one of the leading manufacturers of automobile tires in India. You must be knowing about it. And last year we have achieved a turnover of 3,960 crores. We have our plant in Mexico also called Tornil. Both Indian and international operation put together, we have achieved a turnover of around 5,000 crores last year. Okay. And we have our extensive dealer network across the country, and we have almost around 5,000 dealers selling approximately 1,70,000 truck tires. And this program, Join the Class program, is basically designed to reward our channel partners for the good work they have done in terms of improving our own business volume, and we decided to reward them by way of giving some gifts. In this particular case, we have decided to give them the cars. But depending on their turnover, they get various types of gifts. Yeah.
Can you give me a little bit idea about what is the share of now segment is changed, like two-wheelers and the car segment?
We are not into two-wheeler segment. We are basically in passenger car segment, and we are into commercial segment also, where for truck and LCV tires, and we are into off-the-road segment also, the tire segment also. We are manufacturing tubeless tires for the original equipment players. Tubeless tire concept is slightly picking up in India, whereas in the Western world, where this concept has almost picked up, you have around 95% of the fitment is tubeless tires only. In terms of commercial truck segment, we are enjoying a market share of around 22%. And car segment as such, we are having at present around 15 to 16% market share. We have invested in a greenfield project in Chennai, where we are planning to almost invest 1,500 crores, where we have decided to produce truck radials and passenger car radial segment.